Hello, solution of question number 35. Once again same, it was value of supply question. A manufacturer of a machinery supplied a, you see the question, I am reading this one. A manufacturer of a machinery supplied a special machine to LM Furnitures. Following details are supplied in relation to amounts charged. So this was the question number 35. The below given are the amount charged. Now you have to find which items, which amount, the given in the 1 to 5 items, which includes in the value of supply and which does not include in the value of supply. Already you know in the theory, right? So as per section 15, move to the one by one. So the first one, which one? The price of the machinery, listen, price of the machinery excluding taxes before discount. So this is 6 lakh rupee not includes any, which one? The 6 lakh rupee not includes tax and before discount. So we need the same figure. If it includes, you exclude that one, but it is not includes, good, to take the 6 lakh rupee. Then this was the value of supply of the machinery. And the second one is transit insurance. Whether this transit insurance is added to this value of supply of machinery or not. This value of supply of machinery or not. But it includes. Remember, it includes. So this was includes in the value of supply. So for this, you have to add this one. Then packing charges, third one. So also packing charges also is a part of value of supply. Add this one. Then extra charges for designing machinery, fourth one. The extra charges for designing machinery also includes. I think I explained in the 34th question. And next this one also, which one? The fourth one. This one also includes. This one also you have to add. So this was the solution of if you add all these items, you will get this amount here. For this, you have to charge the 6 lakh, that is 2% discount. You will get this amount. Then the remaining amount is how much? 6 lakh 40. On 6 lakh 40 you have to charge the 18% tax. You add all these items and charge the 2% discount, subtract on the 6 lakh rupee. The answer is 6 lakh 40. This was the solution of question number 35. Clear? Now move to the question number, which one? 36. The question number 36 is like this. It is a big question. I will read one by one. Then it may be clear to you. Mahi Limited, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Remember Madhya Pradesh is supplied the machinery, means goods. Mahi Limited has supplied machinery to ABC Limited. ABC Limited is the recipient, also in Madhya Pradesh. So SGST, CGST comes in October 2017. The invoice of the supply has been issued 1st October 2017. Mahi Limited and ABC Enterprises are not related and price is in the sole consideration for the supply. So this was the information. The following informations are very important for the solution of the question. Now move to the one by one. Basic the machinery excluding taxes. How much amount is there? This was the value of supply. 2 lakh is the value of supply. Remember, this was the basic amount value of supply. So value of supply of machinery, you write to 20 lakh. The first. To this amount, which item is added, that I will show that plus mark. Right? This was the value of machinery, value of the supply. The value of supply of the goods is 20 lakh. To this, you have to add some amount. Which amount? See the one by one. So design and engineering charges, how much is there? 20,000 rupee. This one includes in the value of supply, 20 lakh plus 20,000. And the loading charges also, this one also add. Loading charges to 20 lakh. Next, Mahi Limited provides 1 year mandatory warranty. So on payment of additional charges, this one also adds because it is a warranty. It includes in the value of supply. Mahi Limited collected the consulting charges in relation to pre-installation. So consultation charges also added plus. Freight and insurance charges from place of removal to buyer's place also add. So it also includes in the value of supply. Mahi Limited received subsidy rupees 50,000 from the Central government for supply of the machinery to backward region. Remember this point, I think I said that subsidy from the central government or state government not includes. Remember this one not includes. Don't take this entire part. I hope that it is clear to all of you. Don't add 50,000 rupee because it is not includes in the value of subsidy from the government is not includes. Okay, continue. Remaining part now. If you move to the located backward area of Mahi Limited, and again is there Mahi Limited also received 50,000 rupee from the joint venture partner of ABC Limited Enterprises for making timely supply of machinery. So joint venture amount it is also added in the value of supply. Then next para, a discount of this one, a discount of 1% on the price, basic price. Basic price means which one? Basic price means this one, 20 lakh. 20 lakh is the basic price. So remember always the value of goods, right? Value of goods, on that only you have to charge the discount 1%. Is offered to the timely supply if ABC Limited is agreed to make the payment in 30 days on the receipt of the machinery of the premises. Discount 1% was given, that is same 1% cash discount here, and the payment agreed to make in the within the 30 days. Okay, within 30 days they are ready to pay the discount. So 1% is the cash discount. So which item you have to add? This one. Remember this was the only 1%. You have to charge 20% on which one? 20% on 1% on 20 lakh. It was 20,000. So you only 20,000 rupee you have to, what you have to do? Minus. Remember this was minus to your value. So you are getting the 20 lakh rupee plus this one 1, 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3 is here, 4, 5, 6. Then minus only one item, 1% on the 20 lakh. So at the end of the point, if you less 1% discount, after that you are getting this answer. To this one you have to charge tax. How much? 18% means 9%, 9%. This was the answer for you for the question. You write the both question 35 and 35 and 35 and 36 answer and send the copy to me. So thank you.